Welcome to our new grinder.
Wow.
So, the top dial here is how you adjust the grind size. It's much the same as the one that we have. 0 is the finest, 8 is the coarsest, so you guys will want to be somewhere in between. To change the time, you'll use this dial right here, push and hold until it starts to flash. From there, you'll adjust the seconds. Important, you want to click it again to select. If you were to not click it again, then it will time out and you will be reverted back to the normal time. In order to grind, you will simply place your portafilter here. If you start to grind, it will keep grinding until you're done. In order to clean this guy, you'll want to close off the hopper right here with this handy, trusty hopper closer. Unscrew it, lift it up. As you'll note, it turns off as a safety feature, so you won't grind your fingers.
Amen.
Get as many of these beans out as you can because profit margins. Very important, we want to keep track of this guy, so place it off to the side and don't forget about it later. Put the hopper back on, remaining closed, so that you can grind out whatever's left. And then you will put cap full of the grinder tablets through. And like before, put the hopper back on, making sure it is closed. And grind until there is no more grinder tablets. And then you will want to grind the same amount of coffee through, so that was about 2 shots. And now you are good to redial, and it is cleaned. Just kidding. Don't forget to replace this boy at the very end, like I did. It's okay, because everyone makes mistakes.
Everyone has those days. Do you not know the next line of the Hannah Montana song?
I don't know the next line. I know the tune, but now it is cleaned. We're ready to go. Alright, so this is how we are going to clean and or adjust the chute. So this guy is magnetically attached. You'll just take it out, put it in the dish pit for cleaning. If we need to adjust the angle, this clip here will slide up and down, and that adjusts the angle that this comes out at so that it will hit better in your portafilter. So you can see here, and it will sit further back, and up here it will sit further out so that it hits in the portafilter without overflowing grounds.